Hello, welcome to the what is a DNS? Well, DNS stand for Domain Name System. In this lecture, you are going to learn what is the DNS and how it used by everyone from the major IT companies and everyday home use all around the world. DNS allows to use search the internet use name that we're familiar with. For example, have you ever used Google to search for the best price on a merchandise that you want to purchase on your browser? Your browser request by display 10 store that list the best price. How does your computer browser knows and what to do with this? What does the DNS have to do with this? Well, the internet is made up of computers that are located strategically all over the world. However, computers communicate with each other by using IP address, but the humans communicate by words. From your browser, if you type, for example, if you type www.google.com, you will get Google now. Imagine if you had typed in the IP address for every website that you visit. Well, you will get because of the DNS. But you don't have to do that. You have to translate house names such as like google.com, amazon.com, facebook.com, instagram.com into your computer browser. In the meantime, you can say this is no mercy because now you know and understand how the DNS work. However, we are going to elaborate or go into more detail if you are interested for the DNS. So click at the next lecture and I will see you there.